guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a nap time clean with me. I had just a few things to do in the living room and I thought I'd bring you all along with me to give you some cleaning motivation. I hope you all enjoy this video. It's not very long, but I still wanted to put it up for you guys. If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you here at the Taylor Fam. And sit back and relax while I turn on some relaxing music and let's get to cleaning. So I wanted to pop on here and say that this is something, here I am going behind the couch, and this is not something I do like on a daily basis or anything like that. But you see me laughing here, and it's because I got tickled because I was about to get stuck. The smart idea would have been to move the couch, but I thought I could squeeze back there. I did do it, but I had a hard time getting out, as you see there. So I just wanted to pop in here and say that, and hope you all enjoy.